about, because I know you've been thinking a lot about making this, the content accessible to all your students through your questioning and through increasing the cognitive load onto students. Are there any assets you see that your students have coming into this particular lesson?
Yeah, a few. I'd say, so I've split my class in 2 groups, and I've noticed that quite a few of them are well ahead. So, like for instance, a couple of days ago, we did a lesson, and they knew immediately when I talked about factors. They were very very familiar with factors. They were able to explain to me somewhat like what a factor is, right? And I think that will aid in helping them distinguish between what a multiple is and what a factor is when I come to that question in this lesson.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Are there any students in particular that you're thinking about that you need to maybe adopt the lesson for, or anything that you're thinking about within this lesson in particular?
I'm thinking students that are having a tough time with math and moving ahead in Zern itself. Students like Sincere Davenport, Richard Acosta, Maxwell Dudley, and some students who have been absent like Sid Lally, Espinoza, Naeem Payne. So I mean, we might have to like pull a small group in the morning and just bring them up to speed. Yeah.
It also sounds like the assets of your class, like you do have a lot of students who do have some prior knowledge. Like I know there are several that come to mind when I think about your class. So also maybe even doing a strategic pairing between those students could be like an easy, quick thing that you could try also. But I think I love your idea of the small group ahead of time, just to pre-teach the strategies that students have been missing.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Well, I would love to come see this lesson in action and support you with that, and just celebrate all of the awesome things you're already doing, and be a thought partner with you around the questioning and the cognitive load of your students. So, when are you teaching this lesson?
So today I'm teaching lesson 22. Oh, sorry, 23. I'm teaching lesson 23, and I should be teaching this lesson tomorrow.
Okay, wonderful. All right. Are you comfortable with me coming in and observing you?
Absolutely.
I'll try to be as least invasive as possible. And I also just wanted to ask you, because I know you've been working on your questioning and just making sure that students are doing a majority of the work, I wanted to be able to take some data around just some objective data around what I just observed, so that we can, when we do our post-observation, we can have some really interesting stuff to look at. So there's one tool that it's called Selective Verbatim, where I would basically just script out the questions that you're asking verbatim, and then I would script out the answers that students were giving, and then we could just kind of look at that together in our post-observation. Does that feel like something that you're comfortable with?
Yeah, I'd be okay with that.
Okay, and I always think it's fun to kind of look at that in an objective way, so it'll be cool.
It'd be interesting. What am I talking about? Yeah.
Great, well, I look forward to coming to see you in action tomorrow, and I didn't know if there was anything else you wanted to check in about, but...
At the moment, no.
Okay.
I think we're good.
All right, thank you so much, Larry.
Thank you.